All right, now we got one of my good friends here. We play pickleball and tennis together, so he's going to ask me a question about dentistry.
My question is, I've been drinking a lot of tea, and I noticed that I have some stains on my teeth. What is good to avoid that to happen and have more stains in my teeth?
What you hear? You know, Gonzo's question is, how do I keep my teeth beautiful? Especially if I am drinking a lot of tea now. Tea, coffee, wine are the things that makes your teeth stain. Now, what you have to do, you know what I tell my patient is make sure that you enjoy life, keep on drinking tea, coffee, wine. What you have to do is make sure that after you drink the material, and there's another friend of ours right here. Yeah, we're just videotaping. So one thing that you want to make sure that you do when you're trying to prevent stain from your teeth is after you drink coffee, tea, or wine, make sure that you are brushing your teeth. If not, drink a lot of water. But enjoy life, even if your teeth stains. One of the things that you can do is definitely use some sort of whitening material like hydrogen peroxide, gargle with hydrogen peroxide, brush your teeth with hydrogen peroxide, or toothpaste, or baking soda for sure. But toothpaste that has whitening gels in it, like hydrogen peroxide in there. So make sure you're brushing your teeth with whitening toothpaste, and that'll help.